Good morning, students. In the last class, we have read about the Ganga Basin and the Brahmaputra Basin. Today, we will learn about the Satlaj Basin, Ganga Action Plan, and life of people in the northern plain. So, children, let us first read about Satlaj Basin. The Satlaj Basin is the westernmost part of the plains. The Beas River is the main tributary of Satlaj. Two rivers flow in the southwest direction and joins the river Indus in Pakistan. The major states in the Satlaj Basin are Punjab and Haryana. So children, Satlaj Basin, as we all know, lies on the westernmost part of the northern plains. So it lies on the western part of northern plains. And children, river Beas is the main tributary of Satlaj river. Now children, both these two rivers, that is river Beas and river Satlaj, flow in the southwest direction and then it joins the river Indus in Pakistan. So both river Beas and river Satlaj, after flowing through India, they enter Pakistan and there they join river Indus which flows in Pakistan. And lastly children, the states that lie in the Satlaj basin are Punjab and Haryana. So these are the two states that lie around Satlaj basin. Now children, the climate of Satlaj Basin is extremely hot in summers and very cold in winters. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built across the river Satlaj. It provides water for irrigation and also provides electricity to Punjab and Haryana. So children, the climate of Satlaj Basin is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. So in summers it's very hot and in winters it's very cold. And children, Bhakra Nangal Dam is built across the river Satlaj. So here children, this is important that Bhakra Nangal Dam is built across which river? It is built across river Satlaj. And children, this Bhakra Nangal Dam provides water for irrigating the fields of the farmers and it also helps to provide hydroelectricity to the states of Punjab and Haryana. So through this dam, two things are fulfilled. First is the farmers can irrigate their fields and second that it also provides electricity to the states of Punjab and Haryana. So children, as you can see just beside this paragraph, the Satlaj and Bhakra Nangal Dam is the photo of Satlaj and Bhakra Nangal Dam is given. So you can see the river and across the river the dam is built. Okay, so now children we will do this short exercise. Match the column A with column B. So firstly we have Gomti. So Gomti children is a tributary of Ganga. So Gomti will match with tributary of Ganga. Then children, Sangam is there. Sangam will match with place where Yamuna joins Ganga. That is Sangam. Now third is Bhakra Dam. So Bhakra Dam is built across river Satlaj. So Bhakra Dam will match with Satlaj. And then Tibet will match with Brahmaputra. So children, I hope you people will complete this exercise. Now we will move to Ganga Action Plan. Now, many cities exist along the bank of these rivers. Some of the important cities include Delhi along Yamuna, Kolkata along Hooghly, and Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi along the Ganga. Many goods are produced in the factories which are located in these cities, but the harmful wastes from these factories are discharged into the rivers which make the river water dirty. It becomes unfit for drinking and other uses. So, children, there are many cities that are located or that exist along the bank of rivers. Now, see this image over here, children. You can see the blue line. Now, this blue colored line shows the Ganga river. So, children, we can see so many important cities like Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna is located along the Ganga river. So, children, in the same way, Delhi lies along the river Yamuna, Kolkata lies along Hooghly River, and then Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi lie along Ganga River. Now, children, since so many cities lie along these rivers, then what happens? These cities pollute the river water. Pollute means they make the river water dirty, and there are many factories in these cities, and these factories, they release harmful waste. The factories, they release harmful waste that comes out from these factories, and these are sent to the nearby rivers. So the factories, they sent their harmful waste to the nearby rivers, and this makes the river water dirty. This pollutes the river water, and after that we cannot drink this type of water, and we cannot cook from this type of water, we cannot bathe in this water. So the ultimately the river water gets polluted, it becomes dirty, and then we cannot consume it, it becomes unfit for drinking, for other uses like cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. Now the government has started a project to clean the Ganga river and prevents its pollution. This is known as the Ganga Action Plan. Many cities have developed along the banks of these rivers. Some of them are industrial cities. Now, children, since the rivers have become so dirty, that is why the government of India has started a project to clean the Ganga river and to stop its pollution. So, the government has started a project to clean river Ganga. And this project, children, is known as Ganga Action Plan. In this plan, according to this project, what happens? The government is trying to clean the river Ganga, which is now getting polluted. Now, children, we have already read that there are many cities along the banks of river Ganga, and these cities are industrial cities. Industrial cities means that such type of city which has industries in it. So, children, those are only known as industrial cities. Now we will start a new topic, children, which is life in the region. So today we will only read about the state of Punjab. The Satlaj, Beas and Ravi rivers flow through Punjab. Wheat, rice, sugarcane are the main crops. The farmers of Punjab use modern machines such as tractors and harvesters for farming. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. It is a well planned city. Big cities are Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, and Patiala. The, the Golden Temple, the largest Gurudwara, is in Amritsar. Guru Parab, Baisakhi, Lohri, and Diwali are celebrated in Punjab. People speak Punjabi and Hindi. Bhangra and Gidda are popular folk dances. The people of Punjab are fond of makke ki roti, sarson ka saag, dal, curd, and lassi. So, children, now we are reading about the state of Punjab. So, children, rivers like the Satlaj, Beas, and Ravi flows through the state of Punjab. And children, what are the main crops grown in Punjab? So the main crops grown in Punjab are wheat, rice, sugarcane. All these are the main crops grown by the farmers here. Now children, here the farmers, they use modern and latest machines such as tractors and harvesters for farming. Now children, what is a harvester? A harvester is a machine which is used to cut the crops. So that is a harvester. So the farmers of Punjab use modern machines for farming. Now children, what is the capital of Punjab? So the capital of Punjab is Chandigarh, and it is a well planned city. Means it has been planned in a very good way. So it's a well planned city, and some of the big cities of Punjab are Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, and Patiala. Now children, the very famous Golden Temple, it is the largest Gurudwara in Amritsar. And children, next, what are the festivals celebrated here in Punjab? So the people, they celebrate Guru Parab, Baisakhi, Lohri and Diwali. All these festivals are celebrated by the people of Punjab. Now, which two languages are spoken by the people in Punjab? So the people in Punjab, they speak Punjabi and Hindi. These are their main languages. Now, Bhangra and Gidda are their popular folk dances. They are very popular in Punjab. And the people of Punjab, they are fond of eating makke ki roti, sarson ka saag, dal, curd and lassi. These are their favorite dishes. So children, today we will study only about Punjab. In the next class, we will complete we will read about some more states. So children, till here, please revise the portion and I will see you in the next class. Thank you children.